It is here. Sidekick is here. Your personal assistant on Shopify. I am so excited for this. It came up on my dashboard about 2 weeks ago, and I have not touched it because I wanted to record for you guys to see my reaction, seeing it and playing with it for the first time. So I am so excited. If you are part of my email list, if you're on my email list, then I would have told you about a year ago to sign up for early access. So I have early access. I'm limited because I do have my demo store, so there isn't a lot of information in it. But as soon as I have one of my clients that is willing for me to be able to get on the back end and test it with their store, I'm going to go ahead and do that. But in the meantime, it's my demo store. So let's jump in and let's take a look at what Sidekick is all about. Oh, so excited. All right. So if you jump onto the dashboard, you will see this little ninja guy right here. Oh, and there it is. Hi, Betsy. What would you like help with? Oh my God, I'm so excited. All right, the potential of this Sidekick, your own AI right here on your dashboard. So it looks like it has some prompts to kind of get you started. So this is pretty cool. So what is your Shopify App Store? And then responses may have errors, so trust your expertise. Will do. All right, so let's start. Let's see how to make all of my products on sale for 50% off. Let's just go with that. I'm so excited. Working on it, filling out, fetching. Let's set up 50% of discount on all products. This discount will be applied automatically at checkout. So discount method automatic, percentage 50%. Let's preview. Let's preview. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, so no title yet. Okay, so we have to give it a title. Amount of the products. All right, let's give it a title. Let's do welcome. Yeah, let's do welcome. All right, so amount of type. Let's see here. The percentage is 50. That's good. Online store, no minimum purchase, can combine active from today. Sounds good. All right, set end date. So we can still set up the end date. I guess because we didn't put that information in the prompt. So I guess we have to be more specific. Let's see, what else? It filled everything out, I think. Save discount. Oh, there is one error with the discount. Oh, the specific product. Okay. All right. So let's do a specific product. So let's go with a collection. All right. And let's do shop all. Why not? Add is a demo store, so it doesn't really matter. And let's save. Let's save. Let's do another one. Okay. So where is the brand setting? Because recently they changed the location of the brand setting. So let's see if it takes me to the right place. So brand setting has changed, and also the menu as well. So let's go here, brand. It's a link, so it takes me directly to where I need to go. What? Okay, I'm sorry. This is so exciting. Perfect. So it's a little bit like, Chat GPT-ish to me. All right, let's see what else. Let's do SEO for my dark roast coffee. Oh, okay. It seems I couldn't find the product name dark roast coffee in your store. Okay. Isn't that the name of my products? Let's go check products and then dark roast. Yeah. Okay. So let's just put dark roast and see what happens. Send. Working on it. Searching. Fetching. All right. I found the product. Okay, perfect. Let's enhance the SEO by crafting a compelling title and description that will attract search engine clicks. Here's what we can do. SEO title, SEO description. Would you like me to proceed with these updates? Let's look at first what it looks like now. All right, no, don't mind this product page. It's my demo store. I just play around with it. But see, look, it added the 50% off discount. So awesome. So that worked. Yes. Proceed. All right, let's see what it's going to do. Sure thing. Let's update the SEO for your Food Therapy Dark Roast. Preview. Let's preview. All right, let's see. So it's going to do the SEO description and title. Okay. So it's not the actual product description. So it's going to be the meta. Okay, so it's going to be here, the search engine listing. So that's what I believe is going to change. Yeah, organic dark roast coffee. So yes, so it changed it. Oh my God, this is so exciting. I love it. Experience the bold flavors of organic dark roast coffee sourced from the finest beans. I love it. This is cool. This is so cool. Let's do the light roast. All right, yeah, let's do the light roast. Could we do, let's see. Can we undo it? So don't update the dark roast. No worries. I won't make any changes to the SEO for your dark roast. If you need anything else, feel free to let me know. All right, so it's not going to change it. Let's see. All right, so let's work on the SEO for the light roast instead. Let's see what it does. Let's enhance the SEO for your Brew Therapy Light Roast. Beautiful SEO title, organic. All right, yes, update it. Okay, what did I do? Oh, no, I guess it doesn't remember when you refresh the page. Okay, not a problem. Let's do this again. Update the SEO for the light roast coffee. I want to rank for the keyword organic coffee. It seems like we couldn't find a product named light roast coffee in your store. Could it be listed under a different name? Okay, so let's try that. All right, now, here you go. So let's update the SEO for your products to help. Oh my God. It added category meta field. Oh, I am in love. I am in love. Okay, okay. Preview. Awesome. So let's go ahead. All right, it changed the organic coffee. So once you click on preview, yes, beautiful. It changes it. I love it. And then you just have to save it. Okay, we have to save it. But oh my God, it adds the meta field. And obviously you can change it. Okay. All right, it's the little things. It's the little things. All right, let's move on. Let's try something else. I'm so excited. All right. So what is my top performing, what is my top performing products for this month? Let's see. I'm still learning how to work the analytics for your store. Okay, well, my store is a demo store, so it's not going to have any analytics. Okay. All right, let's try something else. How do I change the color of my search icon? Let's see. Let's see here. To change the color of the search icon on your Shopify theme, follow these steps. Go to the online theme store in your Shopify admin, find the theme you want, customize. That doesn't sound right. Click the theme setting gear icon, select colors. In the scheme selection, locate the color settings for each icon. This may vary depending on your theme. All right, let's give it a try. I don't think that that's right, but let's go for it. So let's go to customize. Or I like how it stays on the side so you can follow along. So theme, and then colors, text, solid button, button, shadow, background. Yeah. So that is not correct. All right, cool. Can you add alt text to my images. Okay, absolutely. Let me know which image or product you'd like to update with alt text and the description you like to add. Okay. All right. All right, let's do this. Let's do this one. Let's begin with the dark roast. I've fetched the details for the Brew Therapy Dark Roast, 16 ounce. Could you provide the alt text you'd like to add to its image? For example, description like a bag of organic roast. You know what? I like your description. I like your description is perfect. Okay, sure. Let's add the alt text. Okay, beautiful. Do it. Adding, okay, add all text to your product images. It's not going to do it for me. Fine. That takes us to Shopify help. So let's do, what app can I use to create product bundles? Let's give that a try. Working on it, searching. Okay. The free Shopify bundle app is a great option for creating fixed product bundles and multi-pack directly from your Shopify admin. Awesome. So it gives me some suggestions, and it'll take me to the Shopify bundles app, and it also gives me eligibility. Can you add domestic to my header menu? See if we can add menu items. Navigate to the menu. Okay, so it won't do that for me, but let's see, it'll take me directly to where I need to go, which also has changed, right? Because the menu used to be under online store and now it's under content. So it's moved. So perfect. So that's the menu. So it just takes me there. Okay. All right. That's cool. Let's see what else. What else can you help me with? Let's go to products and let's check out. Oh, all right. Oh, here, see, it rerouted it back. Okay, awesome. So it put back the original one. All right, so let's try the Shopify Magic. So let's generate in Shopify Magic, you can generate a product description. Let me do it here first. Okay, I'm so scatterbrained. It's like, oh, all right. I'm going to talk to it like I talked to ChatGPT. Help me write a product description for my dark roast coffee. I want to rank for the keyword organic coffee. My tone is friendly and casual. My audience, my customers are eco-friendly and are mindful of what they eat. Yeah, let's go with that. All right, let's see what it says. Let's see what it says. What does it say? Introducing organic roast coffee, the perfect blend for eco-friendly coffee lovers, sourced from the finest organic farms. Our dark roast is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a stop toward a greener planet. With rich, bold flavors and smooth finish, it's a perfect way to start your day or unwind in the evenings. Enjoy the taste of sustainability with every sip. Oop. Awesome. So it gives me the description. It also just went ahead and gave me the meta description and the SEO title. Let's try over here the Shopify Magic and see how it compares to the description. So let's just copy and paste this one and add it here. Let's do supportive. Let's do supportive, and then let's generate and see and stack them against each other. Generate. Experience a delicious cup of organic coffee with brewed therapy dark roast made with eco-friendly ingredients. This 16-ounce bag of perfection is perfect for the mindful coffee drinker. Enjoy the rich, bold flavors with peace of mind, knowing you're making a positive impact with every sip. Treat yourself to the ultimate coffee therapy today. I think Sidekick won. I think Sidekick, I like Sidekick's description. I like that much better. Let's see. What was the top selling products on the Shopify platform this past Black Friday. I don't have access to the data about the top selling products across the entire Shopify platform for Black Friday. Okay, fine. Can you add my gift card to my home page? Let's do that. And that'll be the last one. Let's see how that does. Navigate to the theme editor. All right, that's fine. Customize. So it's just going to take me there. Go ahead, take me there. And do it yourself. Okay. That's perfectly fine. I got to do it myself. Oh my God. I am super excited about everything that this Sidekick is going to be able to do, not only for me to make my life a little bit easier, but also for you guys who are wearing all of the hats and doing all of the things, right? So now you have Sidekick that you can ask questions and get things done quicker because it's right there. It's right in the platform. This is so cool. I just can't wait to when this is fully rolled out to everyone, and because it's just going to get better, right? And it's going to get to know your store, the back end of your store. You're going to be able to say, you know, what were my top performing products in Q1 of 2024 so that you can prepare for Q1 now for 2025, right? It's not, you don't have to go through all of this data trying to find old information. I mean, you can use the Shopify Magic to help you write product descriptions, but now you have this as well, Sidekick, which I almost feel like it's going to work like ChatGPT. So you could just enter the descriptions of exactly what you're wanting, and it's going to give you the output that you want. So I feel like the output that you put, the quality of the output that you get is going to be based on the quality of the input that you give it. I think I've heard somewhere where you could actually input and ask specific customer questions. So you can ask how many new customers have shopped in the store in the last 30, 60, 90 days. So I can't do that on my store because this is a demo store. But once I get into with my customers' accounts, I'll be able to really test it out and see the capabilities of this. And hopefully maybe one of them will allow me to use their website to create a tutorial here for you. I can't wait for you guys to have access to it. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think, and I will catch you in the next video. Adios.